I had been wanting to declutter my makeup for the longest time, and today I figured, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do it, at least some of it, because I want to declutter my bronzers, highlighters, face palettes, blushes, and the eyeshadow palettes that I have. So in this video, I have my bronzers, highlighters, and I'm putting face palettes in here because I think that's going to be kind of like the same category, and plus I have a lot of blushes, so I don't want to make that video too long, but this is pretty much all my collection of those, the bronzers, highlighters, and face palettes. There could be one or two scattered somewhere, and we may find them when I declutter my blushes or eyeshadows, and I'll declutter it then. But for now, let's start with the bronzers, highlighters, and face palettes. I think I'm going to do them by brand, so let me kind of make way and make this a little bit neater, and let's start decluttering because it needs to be done. Let's start with this group right here, and I'm not doing it in any particular order. If I have a lot of one brand, then I'll just do that one brand. Like over there, I do have a lot of Chanel, and over there I have some Hourglass, and over here I've got others, and over here too. But let's start with this one, and I have it on a towel, and I'm in front of a corner window. So hopefully the lighting will be good. I know there's clouds in the sky and the sun will go in and out, but hopefully you'll be able to see it. But I really want to clean these out, and let's hope I do clean some out. Let's start with this one from Gucci. I love this bronzer. This is in the shade 4. As you can see, there's a nice little dent, so I'm going to keep this one. And I did videos on most of these, and I'll try to list them down below for you guys, but I don't want to do too much because then this video will be too long, like swatching and talk about it a lot, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this one by Gucci, I'm keeping. I love this one. Now let's go into this from Dior. It is a bronzing stick. This one I believe is in the shade number 2. I'm going to keep this one as well. Now this one from Dior, I don't know if I'll be keeping this one. The scent of it is just too strong. I do like the color of it though. Let's see, what shade is this one? 40 Deep Matte. You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and keep this one too. But yeah, it has like a jasmine scent to it. I mean, I love the scent of jasmine, but it's a little bit too strong. But I'm going to keep this one for a little bit longer and just kind of go from there. This one from Giorgio Armani, I kind of like this one. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, and I like the color, and this one is 110. Yes, I'm going to keep this one, but there is one I will declutter, is this one from Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah, I don't know, I just don't like this one, so I'm going to declutter this. I think this one is medium. I hope you can see the name there or the number. But yes, I'm finally decluttering, and it's going to be this one. I'm definitely keeping this one from La Mer. They don't make this one anymore. It is a little bit light, but I just got to concentrate this area right here, or I could even use this one as a powder. But this one's really pretty, and I kind of wish that they would go back into makeup, but I understand. I am keeping this one, and I am keeping these two from Charlotte Tilbury. There is one that I wear a little bit more, I think number 3. Yeah, number 3 is what I use a little bit more. And then let's look at number 2. This one's a little bit lighter. I can use this one as a powder, but as a bronzer, I like number 3. So I'm going to go ahead and keep these two. These are pretty new from YSL. I did pick it up in 2 shades, 03 and 04. Let's look. This is number 4. And then here's number 3. There we go. Hope you can see it. I know the lighting here is not the best, and you can see everything in the mirrors. But yes, I'm going to keep these two from YSL. Now I have this group, and let's start with these two from Chantecaille, and I think I'm going to declutter these. I don't reach for them. They're pretty, but I don't know. I just don't reach for them. So these are the two that I have. I believe this one is Goya, and this one is Sienna, I believe. I know the glare is kind of bad, but these are going. If you have any suggestions of what I could do with these decluttered items, leave them down below, because yeah, I'd hate to throw these away. But this one, I know I will throw it away because it is a cream, and it's a little travel size by Westman Atelier. I can't tell you the color, but it's just dried up. So this one will be going into the trash. Another one that I'm going to declutter is this one from Say. It's just another one that I don't reach for, and I believe this one is Deep Bronze. I know it's very popular, but you just don't want to keep cream products that long. And it is kind of moist here. I mean, it's a pretty color, but yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one as well. Probably put it in the trash, because it is a cream product. Okay, I have these two from Givenchy, and this one is one of the new releases that they just came out with. I'm keeping this one, of course. Very pretty. I can even use this one as a powder. Just kind of put my brush with these two. I think this is number 4. Oh no, number 3. So I'm keeping this one. And I think this is the old one. Oh no, this is the powder. Well, I'm keeping this one, so this one belongs in the powder. Yeah, this one's the powder, the setting powder. I knew it'd get one mixed up in here, but anywho, I will be keeping this one. I have these two from this brand. He's in Europe. I know I'm going to say his name wrong. It's Samar Huzami. Love his makeup. I wish he'd come out with new releases, and this is his highlighter. Very pretty. I'm keeping this one. Let's see, it's Glimmer Glow. And then this one is a face palette with a bronzer, blush, and a highlighter. So I am keeping this one as well. These two are very pretty on. Here's a face palette from NARS. I think I'm going to declutter this one. I don't reach for it. It's a little bit too kind of dry for me. I mean, it does have the highlighter and the bronzer, and it comes with two blushes as well. Yeah, I'm going to say bye to this one. It's pretty, but I don't reach for it. Now I have these from Guerlain. Let me just kind of figure these out. This is 03. Okay, I kind of opened them up. These two are the same 03, but this one came out with the special, I guess it had the gold G on it, a little overlay spray. So it's pretty much the same as this one. Medium warm, medium warm. Yeah, these two are the same. So I think I'm going to declutter one and keep one. I think I'm going to keep this one and declutter this one because they're both the same and I don't need two of the same. So I'm going to keep this one and declutter this one. I'm going to keep 04 because it's a little bit of a deeper color. And I'm going to keep these two. I kind of use these as blushes sometimes because they do have, I guess, some different colors in there. You can also use this as a bronzer, but I'm going to keep these two because I like to use them as blushes. And here is 03 and 04. Here are my Chanel products, and the ones that I have open here are the highlighters, and I'm keeping all of these three. I believe this is the Camellia, the Pearls, and I can't remember this one. But yes, I'm going to keep these highlighters. And then here are the two oversized illuminating powders. I can use these as highlighters. I don't use them as powders because they're a little bit too shimmery. But I am keeping these two. I believe these are, here's the name of this one and this one. So yes, I'll be keeping these two. Now these two are the cream bronzers, and I think I will keep these two. So I will be keeping these two. I probably should get rid of them because they're a cream product, but I'm still going to keep them for a little bit longer. See, I think that's tan medium and tan deep. So yeah, I'm keeping these two. And then here are the face palettes from Chanel, and I will be keeping all of these. I believe this is medium coral, medium rose, I think. Rose gold, medium rose gold. That one's deep mauve, and this one is deep, I can't remember, deep rose gold. So I couldn't remember the rose gold. But yes, I am keeping all of these four. Here are my highlighters from Clé de Peau, and I have highlighters and bronzers from Hermès. And let's start with Clé de Peau. So let me go ahead and open those up. Okay, so here are the highlighters, and when I opened them up, this one was an eyeshadow. So I guess it was in my highlighter drawer, and I was looking for this, but now I found it and I am going to keep it. So let's just go ahead and move this one out of the way, and then let me show you the 5 highlighters that I do have from Clé de Peau, and I am keeping all of them. There is one that wasn't my favorite, and I can't remember which one it was, if it was either this one or this one, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and keep every highlighter here. Packaging is just beautiful. This is the one that they came out with, I think, a couple of years ago for their holiday. Just beautiful. And I love using the brush with it. Works very well. And it does give you that bling. Wow. So yeah, I'm keeping all of these. So this one was 203, 202. This one's 22. And these two limited edition ones, 104 and 105. So these are Hermès, and let's start with this one, my favorite, Permabrass. I love this one. And I love the age, and you can see that I'm just using this area right here to kind of preserve the age. But this one is Permabrass, and I believe it's one of the first ones they came out with. I believe it was before the blushes or after. I can't remember. But yeah, this is one of their first highlighters, and it's just beautiful. So I'm keeping this, pretty much keeping all of these 3. This one's a highlighter. I believe it's Coral Mojave. Don't reach for this one as much. I reach for Permabrass, but I still use it. And then these 2 bronzers. This one is 03 Sahara and 04 CN. So yes, I do reach for it, and I will be keeping these. I just love their Hermès products. Let's start with this one from Anastasia, the Amrezy. This is one of my first highlighters that I bought, and it's so beautiful. It's very subtle, and I wish they would bring this one back. And yes, I am keeping this one. Love the packaging and love the product inside. I have these 2 from Floris's. It is a Japanese makeup brand. It is beautiful, but I think I will be decluttering these, both of these. I mean, it is pretty, but I have others that I like a little bit better. And then this little one, oh, This one's a blush. Okay, we're going to keep it here as the highlighter because it does have a little bit of a highlight to it. And yes, I will be decluttering this one as well. It's more of a cream, and yeah, it kind of dried up. So this one's going. I have this one from RMS Beauty. It's beautiful. This is such a pretty gold color. Prosecco Fizz. I had a hard time saying that word. Prosecco Fizz. I'm on a fence of this one as well. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep it. It's so pretty. Now I have these two from Milani. It's a face palette, and I think it also has some eyeshadows, and I like these. And the price point is really nice, and I think they still carry these. Volume 120, I believe, and volume 110. But you know, I think I'm going to keep these two. I do like them, and it's very easy to travel with, has some pretty colors, especially the deeper one. Yeah, I'm going to keep these two from Milani. I have these two from Kiko Cosmetics. They came in the Bridgerton collection, and you know, I think I want to keep these two as well. They're very pretty, very compact, like the packaging. I don't know if they make this one anymore. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep these two. Then I have this face palette from Beauty and the Beast. And yes, I'll be keeping this one because I love Beauty and the Beast. Don't reach for it, but I just love Beauty and the Beast. That's my favorite Disney movie. And this is just for, you know, nostalgia. And then these two from Sydney Grace, Luminous Light. I believe one is deep and one is medium. So this one is deep. And let's look at the medium. I think I'll be decluttering these two. I don't reach for it. Let me open this one. I don't reach for it. They're pretty, but yeah, I think I'm going to declutter these two. Last but not least, the Hourglass face palettes. And yes, I'm keeping all of these. And this one here, the Fox, is my favorite one. I take this one with us when we travel. Love the colors in here. Yeah, this one's my favorite one. And yes, pretty much I'll be keeping all of these. This one's the Evil Eye palette. This one's the Edit 3 with the deep tones of the bronzer and powders in here. Here's the Lotus palette, the Swan, very pretty. Now this one's just the case of the Owl palette. I believe the original one is the snakes, and I just don't like snakes. So this one is the technically snake palette, but in my Owl packaging palette. Here's the Elephant palette. And the tiger one is pretty too. Love this one. This one is the Universe Unlocked palette. Don't reach for it that much. I think I reach for like the fox and the tiger. But I do like this one too. And then these two, this one is the Sculpt and Set palette. It has powders and bronzers. Oh, I had this one upside down. And then this one was the Blush and Glow palette. This one has blushes and highlighters. And I'm also keeping it. So yeah, that is it. Let me go ahead and show you what I am decluttering. Let me take this out. So these are the ones that I am decluttering. Everything else I'm keeping. And it feels good, even though it doesn't look like it's a lot, but it's a lot for me. And I'll probably either give these to family members or find someone who will take them. Except for the cream products, I will be throwing those away. Finally getting the decluttering done, and now let me put these up, and the next video will be blushes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, especially for the blushes declutter and the big one of eyeshadows. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.